This is Will with MarineMax here in Jacks Beach. And today we're on the Scout 305 LXF. We're going to start today back here in this transom because this is one of the key areas in the boat. We start out with twin 400 V10 Verado motors, but you'll notice back here in the transom you have a full walking path across both motors, which gives you great space to get to both sides of the boat. As we move back into the main salon area of the boat, you'll notice back here this is kind of set up for both fishing as well as socializing. You have great seating arrangement here, but underneath this seat you have a great storage live well underneath here. As well as if you look over in this section, you also have a great center for either cutting bait or just out here using it if you have family on board. As we move towards the bow of the boat, we're going to go up past the helm area. The helm area is situated with its great twin Simrads as well as a joystick drive, which really helps handle this boat well. And then as we move forward, we have a great center compartment here for the head, which is a full-size marine head down below, as well as a small sleeping berth to get you out of the elements if your kids are on board or if you're just wanting to get out of the sun. Then of course we'll move up here into the bow section. And one of the key aspects of the bow section is this big storage box. This is a huge storage box, well known for Scout. This has its own dedicated pump on board so that you won't ever have to worry about this filling full of water and having issues on board. And then we're going to move up to the bow. You're going to see the windlass with foot-controlled windlass controls. Both are up here, but it can also be randomly controlled from the helm as well. This is a wonderful boat. If you have any questions on it, please give me a call at area code 904-780-1603. Would love to put this boat in the water so we can take it out for a sea trial so you can test it in real live conditions. Thank you so much.